Hello guys, welcome to our today's lesson. We are looking at the Hopitals rule. We are still under complex analysis, and before us is a question that we want to solve. The question reads: using Hopitals rule, solve the limit of z squared minus 4z plus 5 divided by z raised to power 3 minus z minus 10i as z approaches 2 plus 1. So this is a complex function. We are going to use the rule and get to know how it is being done. Welcome. Let us pay attention. It is my prayer that by the end of this discussion, you will gain 2 or 3 things. Welcome. So this is the question that we have. We want to get the solution for the question, and in this we are going to find the derivative of the numerator and then find the derivative of the denominator. At the end of it all, we are going to combine the two. Let's begin. So the first step is to find the derivative of the numerator. So let us find the derivative of the numerator, and this is how it is being worked out. So we get the derivative of the numerator, and our numerator is up here. This is the numerator we have, z squared minus 4z plus 5. So when we differentiate this with respect to z, it will give us 2z minus 4. This is our numerator. Let us find the derivative of the denominator So we are going to differentiate with respect to z, and our denominator is in fact z raised to power 3 minus z minus 10i. When we differentiate with respect to z, we'll get 3z squared, then minus 1. And after finding the derivatives, now we'll go ahead and say the limit of the derivatives that we found of the numerator 2z minus 4 all over 3z squared minus 1 as z approaches 2 plus I, as z approaches 2 now plus I. So we are going to substitute z for by 2 plus I. So where we see z, we substitute with the 2 plus I. So we proceed by saying that now the limit as z, the limit of the function that we have as z approaches 2i will be 2. We multiply by 2i. We multiply by 2 plus i. Sorry. And then this is not supposed to be there. We close the bracket, minus 4 all over 3 into 2 plus I. We square this, then plus not plus. This one is supposed to be a negative, minus. This one is supposed to be a negative, minus 1. So let us proceed. Let us deal with the numerator first. Numerator, we have the numerator here. Numerator, we are going to expand. We multiply this with everything in the bracket. So this one is going to give us 4 plus 2i minus 4. Now let us proceed to the denominator. The denominator will be 3 into bracket. When we expand this, it will give us 4 plus, in fact 4i, then minus I squared. Then of course we minus 1. Let us open the bracket. This is 12, then plus 12i, then minus 3i squared, then minus 1. Let us utilize this space. We proceed. We have got 12 plus 12i. Remember the other time we said that I squared is the same as -1, so this is going to be plus 3 minus 1, plus 3 minus 1, plus 3 minus 1. So a negative here, this one will change to be positive. So 3 minus 1, this is 2. So we have 12 plus 2, then plus what? Plus 12i. We proceed. This is 14 plus 12i. Then we combine the two. Remember, this is our numerator. We have the numerator and then we have the denominator. We can simplify this further by saying that 4 take away 4, this is 0, so our answer is 2i. We can join them together and say the answer now is 2i all over 14 plus 12i.